That is the Amazon special.
I'm headed to a school right now to install a commercial tire swing bracket.
That is gonna be nice.
I built a mud kitchen for them. They asked me if I could do this little project for them, so I said yeah. I found the commercial tire swing bracket from the swingsetmall.com.
Swing Set Mall, let's go. You guys know what's up. Looks like they've already got a hole drilled up here. So I'm gonna try to line up my bracket right there. The knots are pretty strong, but let's see what we can do here. Put my glasses on. Go from the bottom now. Perfect. Here's the beast right here. Look at this thing. I said commercial. Let's bounce it up. That is going to be nice. This is what they were working with before right here. Look at this thing. That is not commercial. That is the Amazon special. Now there's one thing left to do. Rotation. Look at that. Swing Set Mall. Let's go. You guys know what's up. Smooth. Very smooth. I don't even want to leave. Woo! My chain link thing isn't ideal, but that's what I had to work with. 2 mounting points on that swing, 3 on the bracket. It's alright. Turned out nice.